It's fruit season, and this is a sweet idea to take to parties and get-togethers. It's easy to make, beautiful, and delicious. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make this dessert fruit pizza. You can make your own sugar cookie dough, but today I'm using a packaged dough. I'm cutting the dough into pieces and then pressing out evenly onto the pan. I lightly oiled the pan so the crust doesn't stick. Just be patient and spread out the dough as best you can, making sure you spread to the edges. I found that by lightly wetting my fingers and palm of my hands, it helped in spreading out the dough. If not, you'll find the dough will stick to your fingers and hands. You can also try flour. This is going into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Once done, I'm cooling the crust to room temperature and then refrigerating until cold. While the crust is cooling, I'm going to make the cream cheese layer. I have a block of room temperature cream cheese and I'm adding in a little confectioner's sugar and vanilla extract. I'm giving that a good whisk with my hand mixer until creamy. Next, I'm folding in an 8-ounce container of whipped cream, and if you feel ambitious, you certainly can make your own. The cookie dough crust is cooled, and I'm spreading the cream cheese mixture evenly over the crust. Refrigerating again until cold. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this dessert fruit pizza below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Before I decorate the fruit pizza, I have one more thing to make, and that is the glaze for the top. In a saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in a half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Just giving that a mix to incorporate, and then I'm adding in a quarter cup of water, a half a cup of orange juice, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Giving that a good mix and bringing up to a boil on medium heat. Once at a boil, I'm letting that cook for 1 to 2 minutes while stirring. The glaze will thicken and will be ready when it coats the back of a spoon. Remove from the heat and cool to room temperature. You can use any fruit that you like or have on hand. I have some fresh blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. I rinsed, drained, and now they're drying on a towel. You don't want any of the fruit wet when putting on the pizza. I'm also using some canned apricot halves that are drained and lightly sponged dry with a paper towel. Now it's time for the fun part. There's no right or wrong here. Just get your creative juices flowing. You can start in the middle or the outside. I'm starting in the middle and creating as I go. The key is just have fun. This would be a great project for the kids. Once you have the fruit applied, it's time for the glaze. The orange glaze really makes the fruit pizza extra pretty and adds a hint of orange flavor. With any fruit salad, I've noticed that oranges or orange juice really brings all the fruit flavors together. I'm lightly brushing on the orange glaze until all the fruit is coated. You probably won't need all the glaze. Once done, the fruit pizza is going back in the refrigerator until completely cool. I don't have to tell you how delicious and refreshing this fruit pizza tasted. The sugar cookie crust is a great sweet base. The cream cheese layer holds everything together, and you can taste all the refreshing fruits. I hope you give this dessert fruit pizza a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!